Welcome to this session, and today let's talk about trading and how you can level up your mind to trade well. So I want to focus today on why you are not profitable and why sometimes we burn our accounts just because we want much profit. So this is a trade that I am in, and this trade you can see I'm going to close this trade soon, but because of this demonstration, I've made more from this trade. The normal day, I don't go for like 30%. Let me show you. It's like 29%. It's coming down, but I just want to close this before then we continue. Right, I can let it go up, but just let me close it because it may retrace. Why is this important? Sometimes we want too much profit. You want to get like 50% profit. So you go and use a leverage that you don't understand. For a new beginner, even 10% leverage is okay. But even some of you is too much because you can just get into a trade, you want 50%, 80% leverage, and you burn your accounts. So I want you to know that start small. When you get 10% profit, it's okay. If you're able to get like, use 50 cedis or $50, like maybe what I've done, to make $18 in one trade, less than an hour. It's okay. That's progress. You keep on building on that. You keep on building on that. And you will become a profitable trader. The reality also is that the more you have money, the more you can make money with trading. So don't beat yourself up and say, oh, you are not making money. And don't compare yourself to people who you see driving Lamborghini and stuff. They have students that are going through their courses. They don't only sell the courses, but they also sell affiliates. So whatever you are trading, it's a profitable business too that they do. But don't compare yourself to them because you are not there yet. Some of them have traded for 20 years, 18 years, 6 years. You've just started last year or even this year, and you want to make much profit. You can make it, but learn, invest in the knowledge. But I'm not saying you should get a mentor, like people want to force you to get a mentor. Yes, mentorship is okay, but I also want to urge you that you can use YouTube to learn if you cannot pay for mentorship. You can use YouTube, ChatGPT, different, but the biggest part is learn to just invest in that. Put in some small money, $20, $50, $60, trade with that, lose it, and you get better and better. It's not going to be easy. I'm telling you, you lose a lot of money. But once you become profitable, some people, even institutional traders, they prefer to just make 2% on their capital, and that's it. So you see that they're not looking for 10%, 20% trade. No, they just want to make 5%. If they make 5%, it makes a big difference in their accounts. So learn to trade. You just saw that I closed this one, it's getting down. That is the psychology of trading. If I was waiting to make more money because I think to make more money, what will have happened? I will have lost a lot. So if you want to learn, please reach out to me, and I have one-on-one coaching. Maybe to take you through if you're a beginner. And also I have free courses that you can take. But the one-on-one coaching is a paid one. But the free one, I also organize free trainings across Ghana. So if you want to support me also, because there are free trainings that I do always, if you want to support me, please reach out to me and offer any financial assistance that you want to offer so that we get more people to train them so that they don't lose much money. If you are not winning, you shouldn't be losing much more money. So thank you very much. Let's do this. I believe in you. Reach out. Bye-bye.